Haven't been doing a lot of cooking videos, but we're gonna do one. Nothing major. A little bit more onion. That's probably even too much. Okay, onion. Got an orange pepper. I'm gonna use about half of it. That's probably even enough right there. I don't need that whole bit. We're gonna save this. Now we're gonna move this here out of the way of cats. And I cheated. I got some already diced up. I'm gonna cut some of these down smaller. Pork sausage. I'm gonna use 2 patties. Break it down a little bit. This is maple pork sausage. I can already smell the maple. I went with what I could get at a good and reasonable, well, semi-reasonable price. Alright, we'll let this cook for a couple minutes. Getting there. Now we're going to add in the onions and the pepper. Right? Keep cooking that up a little bit. See if we can do this. Move it over here. Keep it cooking. Getting out a bowl, because yes, we're making omelet. 4-egg omelet. Everybody stay. 1 egg. Almost dropped the egg. 2 egg. We got a little garlic powder to put in. So I like it. Pepper. I love pepper on eggs, but better stir. Come along. This is cooking in a tiny space. And I'm going to whisk it up. Try to get a little air into it. Alright, I'll move that out of the way. And I got another bowl. I'll take this stuff out, put it in the bowl. See, it will scorch in the center, but it doesn't stick or it's not burnt either. Okay, we'll move that out of the way. Get this back up where it's supposed to be. Pan should be kind of hot. See if we can spread it around a little bit. I need to lift that corner. Not perfectly level. How's that? Yeah, that's closer. What I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to make a triangle omelet. I've never tried to make an omelet in this before. More pepper. Of course, it can't hurt. I've usually just mix it up, you know, like make a mess with it, because in a sense that's easier than doing an omelet, and it all tastes the same. Alright, you can see the centers starting to firm up. I gotta remember, I don't love the Copper Chef for omelets because it does have a hot spot in the center, as you can see. Should I give up on the omelet yet? Yeah, I'm giving up on the omelet. Just gonna make eggs. Maybe another time. Alright, since I've done that, I might as well throw all this stuff back in, right? Now it's time for cheese, Colby Jack. I decided to change this from an omelet, so I got another idea. Tortillas! Maybe better than an omelet, right? And I don't like gooey eggs. Usually if I make eggs, you can see a little brown on them. You know, I like to cook them. So we're getting close. And take tortilla, put it over the top to kind of soften it up a little bit. Alright, here we go. That's good. Go ahead and turn this off. Unplug it. I'm gonna add this right in there. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let me shift stuff around. And I pulled out some of the Rooster salsa, a hot one. Some salsa on there. Oh, you can smell that good roosterness. A little Colby Jack on top. Let's make a tortilla. Flyover before I wrap it up. You want to eat that. Use what you got. Let's see. Breakfast burrito-ish. You know what made it awesome? Yeah, you're right. The Rooster Sriracha salsa. Look at there. Isn't that good? Alright, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. Yep, you're right. That's awesome. Time for a second one. I ate that fast. This is still hot. I was hungry. But enough to share. Rooster time. Yeah. Roll it. Roll it. Looky there. There's your flyover. It's a fly-in. That's really good. Alright, YouTubers. Now have a great and wonderful day.